61311 North County Road 7, Wellington, Colorado. We've got over 14 acres out here. We've got 375 some trees. Let me show you around. The current owners use this warming shed as a chicken coop and a little goat pen over here. It's fully fenced and ready to go. South-facing barn has this middle section. It's divided into 3 sections. Middle section, big workshop. Over here is a fully finished art studio. It's got tile floors in there, some built-ins. And this other section of the barn is heated storage. Great storage area in there, stays warm all winter. It's hooked up so it can water the garden, it can water the bushes, water the trees. The house is on municipal water, so you have a backup water supply out here where you can water everything. Way out of town, but we're still close to everything. The owners of this house have done a great job improving the condition, making it wonderful. It's now ready for you. It's ready for a new adventure. The property, the house, both of them, ready for you guys. If you want to see it, I'm Mike at C3 Real Estate Solutions. Reach out, we'll get you a private showing set up. Thank you for watching our video.